You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words that look somewhat similar, of course. Only the first letter changes, but they have quite a significantly different pronunciation or pronunciations. The top word here is pronounced null. Null, alright? It's not an oo sound, it's not a schwa sound, it's not null, it's null. Null. In American English, the pronunciation is similar. Null. The bottom word is pronounced bool. Here it's an oo sound, okay? A bool. This is the animal bool. So null and bool. Can you hear the difference? Can you pronounce these correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.